okay, ma'am. Are you new with this place? Okay. I actually, ma'am, nearby temple is like you go to and straight and you turn the left side. So there is one big temple, ma'am. That is the Lord Shiva temple. It's very famous, ma'am, in our city.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Okay.
Is there any speciality in the temple?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, this is the very old temple, ma'am. This is the historical temple. This one, please definitely you visit once, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Anything help, ma'am?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the timing when it will open and when they
Yeah,
will?
of course, ma'am. Actually, morning 5 o'clock, it's opening the timing. Night 9 o'clock, ma'am. Still.
Oh, till 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Whole day, whole day. Whenever you have any free time, just you visit, ma'am.
So definitely I'll go and watch.
Yeah, yeah.
I like Lord Shiva.
Yeah, very good, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, where are you from? Come.
I'm from Chennai, but
Okay.
I think Shivaratri is coming, no?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Actually,
Yes.
ma'am, all types of like countries, ma'am, peoples come here, ma'am. He visited this temple, ma'am. It's a very historical temple, now. So that's
Is,
why.
I
Yeah.
think it's a tourist place, this
Yes,
temple.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, yes. It is a tourist place, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Can I help you, ma'am? Any help? Please ask me, ma'am.
Then
Definitely.
I like to visit this temple, but is there any place to stay nearby, any restaurant
Yes,
or
yes,
any?
ma'am. Actually, temple is nearby. Hotel is also available, ma'am. That is a very right. Cost is very low prices. Just you stay, ma'am. With your family. That hotel is always all our facilities there, ma'am. In comfortable that hotel. So
Mm-hmm.
you should go there, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yes.
definitely.
Actually, nearby temple, ma'am. Hotel is also nearby temple. So yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
if it is near means it will be easy for me to come and.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes, definitely. I'll miss. Thank you for your guide. Thank you so
Welcome,
much.
ma'am. Welcome, welcome, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
can
Thank you so
I know
much.
your good name, please?
Yes, ma.
Can I
Yeah,
know
I am Rani. I am Rani, ma'am. Ma'am, your name?
Manaswini?
Nice
No,
to meet you, ma'am.
since we are meeting last time, no, so I'm asking your name.
Yeah, yeah. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
Yes, you
Okay,
are
okay.
giving me a good idea, no, where to meet
Yeah,
the time.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Definitely, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay. Thank you. So, आप लोगों की conversation natural थी. It was quite natural, and you guys were asking questions and answering very in an engaging manner. तो आप लोग engaged थे एक दूसरे के साथ conversation में, and that was the good part about your conversation. Other than that, yes, both of you expressed yourself properly. बस फ्लुएंसी फ्लुएंसी जो है वहां पर हम थोड़ा बहुत लैक कर रहे हैं, बट विद टाइम ये चीज भी ठीक हो जाएगी. वी विल कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड वी विल कीप इम्प्रूविंग विद टाइम. ओके, थैंक यू.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सो जो लोग अभी आए हैं और पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है क्लास में, सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग सम रैंडम टॉपिक एंड आई एम चूजिंग 2 people, और वो 2 लोग आपस में कॉन्वर्जेशन कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इकरा एंड सना. ओके, तो इकरा और सना, आप लोग कहीं पर ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एंड यू गाइज आर मीटिंग ईच अदर फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. तो आप लोग रैंडमली कहीं पे मिल गए हैं और आप लोग कॉन्वर्जेशन कर रहे हैं. आप लोग मे बी ट्रेन जर्नी में हैं या बस जर्नी में है, किसी का इनकी जर्नी में है. ओके
Okay, ma'am. Hello, Ikra.
Hello, Sana. How are you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm good.
नो 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 नो, आप लोग पहली बार मिल रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. यू डोंट नो योर नेम्स. आप लोग नाम नहीं जान रहे हैं एक दूसरे का.
Okay, okay.
यस.
Okay. So, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
How may I know your name?
My name is Ikra. And
Okay.
you?
I'm Sana.
Okay.
So, where are you going?
So, yes,
Where are you going?
I'm going to Delhi.
Oh, it's a great place. I'm also going there. So, what is your purpose to go there?
Because job purpose.
Okay.
आई एम गोइंग देयर For job. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going there job purpose.
So, what have you done in your education?
I have done BTech.
Okay. So, which type of job do you like?
I became
Ikra, you are not audible.
I'm audible.
Now you are.
Yes.
अभी आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
Okay.
Hmm.
Uh,
So, Ikra,
hello.
I asked you, which type of job do you like?
Mm, I like beautician, and I have already I'm a beautician already because that's why I go to Delhi job purpose saloon.
Okay. So, are you a fresher or you have a work experience about
Yeah. I have already experience. I experience last 5 6 years
Oh, I have
okay.
5 or 6 years of experience.
experience.
Yes, that is highly.
And what are you?
So,
What are you doing?
this
Yeah.
is really great news to me. Actually, I'm going to Delhi for shopping. Last month, I get married, so I'm searching a girl who is really good, who can do makeup for me. So if you are good to me, so definitely I'll book you. And
Mm-hmm.
mm, please show me your pictures. Which type of makeup do you do?
Okay.
Yes, Sana, it would be I got married last month.
नहीं नहीं मैं करने जा रही हूँ तो मैं
Okay,
इसलिए
so I
ढूंढ
will get married next
ओके
month. That is how you say it. तो future tense में बोलेंगे ना, past tense में नहीं.
Sorry, ma'am. So I'll get married in last
So
last
next
में
month,
बोलेंगे मैम क्या
not
बोलेंगे
last, next month.
next one. So I'm searching a girl who can do makeup to me.
Yeah.
So show me some pictures.
And what will you planning going there?
Actually, and now I'm going to shopping purpose.
I'm
Yeah,
going
I
for
know
shopping.
shopping, but free time is not a choice कि park वगैरह zoo that's like go.
Sorry, I didn't understand. What did you say?
I'm saying to you are going to Delhi, but
Yeah.
you are going to Delhi shopping purpose.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Free time you are sit. You don't like go to zoo, other places. Uh,
Yeah, I can do it, but
Gate,
now
Will
I have
you go to
limited
zoo
time.
Minar.
or other
The-
recreational places in your free time? Okay, Ikra?
Yeah, yeah,
So
okay.
now I have limited time, so I can't go because I have limited days. I have to handle a lot of things. So now I can't go.
You are first time go to Delhi?
No, no, this is not my first time.
Yeah,
I came here last time when my brother got married, and
okay.
I came also with my friend.
Mm-hmm.
So this
Okay,
is not
Ikra,
my
Okay.
आप
first
ऐसे
time.
पूछोगे, is this your first visit to Delhi?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, please end your conversation. We have others
It
also.
was so nice to. It was so nice talking to you. I feel much more comfortable now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, but I also want to talk more.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
Sunny.
you. तो आप लोगों की कॉन्वर्जेशन में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स थे. एंगेजमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थी क्योंकि आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं हेजिटेट कर रहे थे, या फिर आंसर्स सामने से, या फिर क्वेश्चन समझने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, या किसी को अपने आंसर्स समझाने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. सो वी रियली नीड टू वर्क इन दैट एरिया. तो हमें अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने पर काम करना है ताकि हम अच्छे से समझा सकें अपने आप को। ओके,
ओके मैम।
या
Okay,
नेचुरल
ma'am.
कॉन्वर्जेशन रखनी होती है, दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट, कि नेचुरल कॉन्वर्जेशन हो, एक फ्लो में चल रही हो, सो दैट हेल्प्स अस। ओके
ओके मैम,
ओके
थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू। सो नाउ मोहित एंड व्याख्या, ओके, आप लोग किसी बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ओवर कॉल, टेलीफोन कॉल, तो उस हिसाब से बात करिए। ओके
Hi. So, hi Vaikya.
Hello.
So, what's up? Hi Vaikya, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So, what's going on there?
What's about you?
I'm also good, and everything's okay in your home.
Yes.
So, Vaikya, what's going on in your life?
What?
I mean, what's going on there? I think, what are you doing?
Everything is fine. Nothing special.
So, I think you are bored.
Yes. Because my paper is coming soon.
And which standard are you?
I'm in 8th standard.
Okay. When you have exam,
My exam is starting on 25 and 25 Feb and ending on 19 March.
व्हेन डू
oh,
यू हैव योर एग्जाम मोहित?
okay.
क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं ना हम।
Yes.
यस,
So, did you prepare anything?
Yes, I have been prepared for my exam.
Oh, so Vaikya, do you have any question in any, or do you have any doubt, any subject, so that I can help and I will be happy to solve your question.
No, I have cleared everything in my subject or topic.
Oh, you have covered all the syllabus and you have prepared, I think.
Yes.
व्याख्या, यू
Yeah,
कैन
that
आल्सो आस्क क्वेश्चंस।
Vaikya, you can ask me. I will tell you.
Uh, what about your life?
Yeah, my life is going
Oh,
bore. Yeah,
माय लाइफ इज
because no,
बोरिंग, इसको ऐसे बोलेंगे।
yes, yeah, it's going on boring. Yeah, please speak, Vaikya. I think you are feeling shy. I think you are not speaking anything.
uh,
Please speak.
what
Do
are
not.
you doing in today days?
In 2 days, I went wedding on my
Would be
neighbor.
what are you doing today?
Oh, I went in wedding today, and
Oh,
I went to a wedding और I attended a wedding, इन दोनों में से सेंटेंस कोई एक यूज होगा। ओके
I attend the wedding. Vaikya, speak something.
or
Vaikya,
yes,
speak something else. I think you feeling shy.